Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because we are going to be playing with the brand new Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I am so excited that I was able to get my hands on this when it came out. What I do regret though is not buying any of the highlighters or lipsticks or anything like that. I think I was just so excited to actually get this before it sold out that I didn't think about anything else. Anyways, you're probably wondering why I have half of my face done with makeup and half of it is bare. And that is where we come to the fun part of today's video. I'm going to do half my face with this palette, and what I thought I would do is use this palette for my brows, my eye makeup, my contour. So now we are going to go ahead and open this beautiful box and take a look at this gorgeous palette. I am so excited. Like I said, I can't believe I got my hands on this because I know now, or I do believe now, it is sold out. And I do regret. They have a beautiful lip colors. They have some new highlights that are gorgeous. I fell in love with this palette when I watched Jeffree's video on it, and I knew I had to have it the day it came out, and I was like right in line with thousands of other people, I'm sure, trying to purchase this. And again, I'm so happy I was one of the lucky ones that got my hands on it. So this is what the palette looks like. So here's the inside of the palette, and you can see there's just an array of gorgeous blue colors. And as you can see, it does come with a nice sized mirror. Like, the inside of this palette is just beautifully made. And what I want to start with first are my brows. So what I'm going to use to start off my brows with is a blue eyeliner. I'm going to just kind of carve them out, and then I'm going to fill them in using this palette. So I got the outline of my brows done. We're going to fill that in using the Sonia Kashuk Brow Fill Pencil. And I'm going to go in using this shade right here called Deceased. Okay, our brow is done and it looks really cool, I think. Oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun already, and I've just done my brow. So we're gonna start off our makeup look with this color all over our lid, and this color is called Ocean Ice. Now this is a pressed pigment, so you do need to go at this shade differently than you would other shades. So here is what that beautiful shade looks like. And we're going to pack that all over our lid. So next, I'm going to actually take this shade right here next to Ocean Ice called Entitled, and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner of my lid, or on the inner portion of my lid next to that shade. And we're just going to kind of blend those two in together. So next we're going to take this shade called Ice Tray, and we're going to put it in between where we put those other two shades. Oop. So we'll go ahead and pop that in between these two shades. Oh my gosh, oh, I love that. That looks cool. So now I'm going to take a blending brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Undertaker, and that is the shade here with the little coffin stamped into it. And we're going to blend this into the crease. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm taking this color, this really, really like highlighty color called Cullinan. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. I'm putting it like just in the middle of my lid to kind of brighten that up. And I'm gonna go back with this shade Ice Tray and go over that. Oh, what am I doing? There we go. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my God. Go back into that Ocean Ice shade. So now that the eye look is somewhat complete, we're going to go ahead and do the lower lash. So I'm going to take that shade Deceased and we're going to put that on our lower lash. And then I'm going to take that shade Entitled and we're going to put that like right in the middle portion of our lower lash. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that right in the middle there. And I'm going to now take that blue eyeliner pencil and I'm going to go into my waterline with that. I am going to line my eyes using a black liner, just so it kind of matches my other eye. And I'm going to go in with the roller liner and go ahead and line my eyes. And there we go. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to pop on some lashes really quick, and then we'll move on to mascara. Okay, we have our lash on, and I'm actually going to go in with a blue mascara. I do have this blue mascara by YSL. We're going to go ahead and coat our fake lash with that, and then we're going to put that also along the bottom lash line. Okay, so next we are going to highlight the inner corner of our eye. We're going to use that really highlighty color. We're going to highlight our inner corner using that shade. So now we're going to contour using one of these beautiful shades, and I think what we're going to use for that is this color called Blue Blood, and that is right here. It has a little crown stamped into it. We're going to use that for our contour. I think we're gonna do a darker shade too. Kind of add a little bit of contrast to this. And now I think what we're gonna do, and to add just a little bit more to this look, we're gonna go in with that Deceased shade, and we're gonna darken this up just a tad. I think what we're going to do is take a little bit of that Ice Tray and add a little shimmer to this as well. Just kind of like around the edges of where I put those other shades. Now what we're going to do is kind of to split our face up a little bit more, I'm going to draw a little line kind of going like this, I think. So, and I'm going to use that Blue Blood color first. we're doing this just to kind of make our face look more like half of it is glam and half of it is this crazy, like, awesome blue something. So now we're going to take a darker shade and kind of just like add, oh, you know what, I'm going to go in with the Undertaker, I think, because it's a little bit darker. Just kind of draw the line. And now we're going to take a highlighter brush and we're going to go back into that highlighty shade and we're going to add some highlights to this look. I'm going to do something a little bit different as well because I think we should do a little bit darker with that contouring. So here is the final look. I am loving the Halloween vibes I'm getting from this. I did come into this with the intention of doing half face with the Blue Blood palette and the half of my face like I normally do it. So here is the final look. I'm sure I could probably create like a whole costume around this half face look. The eyeshadow palette is absolutely wonderful. I'm so glad I got my hands on it. I think my only beef with it is when I was dipping into the pans, they were a little powdery, but nothing I can't work with. You know, it's not going to keep me from using this over and over again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!